example, celestial sphere. ये सब आएगा definitions, and this definition you don't get easily, so you can write down. Sphere is a sphere of infinite radius enveloping
Excuse me, sir, can you please repeat?
the Earth. Every minute I'm writing down. Tell me. Okay. दिख रहा है अभी?
Yes, sir.
Enveloping the Earth. Yeah. A sphere of infinite radius. I normally write down because क्या है, किसी का audio ठीक नहीं है, किसी का signal strong नहीं है. So then at least when it's there, you can hear, you can see also. Enveloping the Earth. For purposes of navigation, the Earth is assumed to be at the center of the universe with its axis vertical. Axis actually tilted, but now axis vertical. Axis vertical. And all the celestial bodies are on the celestial sphere. Because there is so much, the distance is so much that it doesn't matter. They are light years away. Whether it is 5 light years away or 3 light years away, it doesn't matter. It all be painted on the same screen, which is the sky, which is the celestial sphere. So this is what we need to know, that it is the Earth at the center. So now what we do? We change this diagram now. Now, कोई doubt है तो बोलो?
Sir, I can't see. Sir, I can't see your screen that shared. Can I go back and come back?
ये तो screen share तो है. हाँ तुम देखो. Others can see ना?
मुझे नहीं हो रहा है sir.
Yes, sir.
So problem is not with me. If every others can see, then the problem is not with me. तुम जाके थोड़ा log out करके log in करो या बंद करके on करो ज़्यादा.
Okay.
I'll keep it. Don't worry. I will not change it. So now what?
Center of universe means that center of celestial sphere.
Yeah. Assume at the center of the universe. So universe all around us, na? And all celestial bodies are on the celestial sphere, and celestial sphere is enveloping the Earth. So now what we do? अब ये आ गया ऐसे. Now we can do like this. You can draw it at an angle also, but when you're drawing, this is the celestial sphere. This is the celestial sphere. And so now we can say that the equator, what was the Earth? Earth was at the center, no, of the celestial sphere. So Earth का ही projection है. So the Earth का जो equator था, now that will be projected as the equinoctial. So we can say that the celestial poles are the extension of the Earth's poles on the celestial sphere. Then we can say that equinoctial is the projection of the equator on the celestial sphere. In other words, we can say that equinoctial is the great circle on the celestial sphere, all points of which are 90 degrees away from the celestial poles. So actually that's what it is. Your poles have become the same. Oh, north south aa gaya. Now we can also say that celestial meridians are projection of Earth's meridians on the celestial sphere, or on the celestial sphere, or we can say celestial meridians are semi-great circles joining the celestial north and south pole. ये हो गया. So you got the equinoctial, you got the meridians, you got the poles, and you got the axis. So more or less we got what we had studied for Earth. We have projected it on the celestial sphere, and we came to know that the celestial sphere is nothing but the projection of the Earth. Yes, sir. This is the Earth. Okay. Now we come to any doubt. Anybody, please constantly ask. Now we come to Greenwich hour angle.
Sir, just wait a minute. Let us complete.
हाँ करो करो लिखो, no problem.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
sir, why are you calling equinoctial at the geographic center?
Not Java Center. Great circle.
Ah, sorry.
This is the great circle. This is meridian. This is the celestial sphere. If this is the celestial sphere, we can say this as the celestial sphere. Then this becomes the celestial meridian. That is, these are all celestial meridians. This one, all are celestial meridians. ठीक है ना? Now we say Greenwich meridian. Greenwich meridian is the projection of the Earth's meridian. Is the projection of the Earth's Greenwich meridian on the celestial sphere. Now we come to, suppose we say that this is the Greenwich meridian. Say, let us say I say this is the Greenwich meridian. I call this as the Greenwich meridian. नीचे वाला जो लिखा मैं मिटा सकता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये Greenwich meridian. Then we come to Greenwich hour angle. Greenwich hour angle is the arc of the equinoctial or angle at the celestial poles between the celestial Greenwich meridian and the celestial meridian passing through the body. That is what it is. Greenwich hour angle, you can say of a celestial body. Since you're passing through the body, you can say of a celestial body. That would be better in English. ये आ गया तुम्हारा ग्रीनविच आवर एंगल. So that means ये ग्रीनविच मेरिडियन है. It is measured westerly. It is measured westerly from the Greenwich meridian. If measured easterly, it is called the easterly hour angle. That is EHA. Normally very rarely used, but normally always it is GHA. So if this is the body, suppose I say that this is the celestial body here, then this would be the Greenwich hour angle, measured westerly, always. And if the body were say here, the body either hai, then it would be all the way around it will go. Then it would be like this. Always measured westerly. Any doubt? Now we come to departure. So Greenwich, these are like how it is like longitude, but it's always measured western.
Sir, just wait, sir. Let us complete.
क्या
सर
लिखो?
एक बार वापस बता दो सर, लिख रहे थे मैंने.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, लिखो लिखो. No, but for purpose of navigation, always you go westerly. For green, for GHA, LHA, SHA, all are following the same nomenclature westerly. Because then you won't know, no, 300 or say if I say 70 degree, 70 can be east or west, no. Then that becomes different thing. That is the GP longitude. That will come to later. Right now, GHA, LHA, SHA, all our angles are all measured westerly. Let me know when you're finished writing. Let me know when you're finished understanding. Let me know when I can move ahead.
Sir, can you explain again the hour angle, westerly and easterly?
ये देखो, ईस्टर्ली मतलब अगर से ये तुम्हारे इसका है, इसका ग्रीनविच आवर एंगल तो ये हो गया वेस्टर्ली, दिस वन, दिस आई टोल्ड यू. ईस्टर्ली वुड बी दिस. That means arc of the equinoctial or angle at the poles. In this case, will be arc of the equinoctial or angle at the poles between the Greenwich meridian and the meridian passing through the body.
Okay.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर ये ईस्टर्ली और एंगल कब यूज में होता है सर?
कभी यूज नहीं होता. कभी कोई अचानक कोई न्यूमेरिकल में या कोई डेफिनेट में आ गया EHA. अगर डेफिनेशन में आ गया then you have to say EHA is the GHA but measured eastern. बोल के GHA का measure. That's all.
Yes.
Normally there is no use of EHA. But sometimes definition में instead of LHA वो लोग बोर हो जाता है, they say EHA just to confuse the people. और कोई न्यूमेरिकल बोलते हैं the EHA of the body is this much. Then you know EHA is equal to, then we can say that GHA is equal to 360 minus EHA. Or if EHA is given, and if you want to find out EHA, EHA is equal to 360 minus GHA. That is all. ठीक है ना? Now let us come to LHA.
Sir, please
Excuse
can
me, sir.
you?
हुआ नहीं है?
Sir, this celestial greenish meridian in case of celestial sphere and Earth is in both the cases this is same, no sir?
Yeah, green meridian is same. But Earth
Okay,
में you
sir.
measure the coordinate by means of longitude. Celestial sphere में you are measuring by means of GHA. Okay, can I remove this now?
Oh. No, sir.
Anybody still writing?
Yes.
बोलो हो गया तो बोल दो.
Yes.
Yes sir, done.
ओके सर.
Then let us see now the LHA. LHA is the local hour angle. It is the arc of the equinoctial or angle at the celestial poles between the local hour angle of a body. Always you must write like that. Of a celestial body. Of a body. Of a body. It is the arc of the equinoctial or angle at the celestial pole between the meridian passing through the observer and the meridian passing through the body. That is what it is.
So it is the arc of equinoctial.
Equinoctial, always. Celestial is always equinoctial. Earth में equator है. So now let us see, इसको मिटा दो, इसको निकाल दो, ये तो explain करने के लिए बोला था. Now let us say that observer is okay. So now let us assume that this is the observer here. So what is the LHA? LHA is measured westerly. Okay, here you tried additionally. It is measured westerly from the observer's meridian. All our angles are westerly measurements. That means if this is the, say this is the star, this is a star, and this is the observer, this is the observer, then this would be the LHA. So we can say, if you look at the figure carefully, what is this from the Greenwich meridian to the observer's meridian?
So it's totally EHA.
EHA, sir.
Longitude of the observer, no? Observer. अगर ये ऑब्जर्वर का मेरिडियन अर्थ मेरिडियन प्रोजेक्ट किया सेल्सियस स्फीयर में, अगर ये ग्रीनविच मेरिडियन है तो ये लॉन्गिट्यूड ईस्ट हो गया ना?
Yes,
Correct. That is why when you know the GHA of the body, and you can find out the LHA by saying that LHA star, we are saying suppose star is equal to GHA star plus longitude east. Because now observer you brought on the Celsius meridian, no? And therefore we can say LHA star is equal to GHA star minus longitude east. Same way, now don't have to put on the diagram minus. You know plus east, that is easy to follow, you know, because ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक longitude हो गया और यहाँ से यहाँ तक GHA हो गया. So when you add the two, you're getting the LHA, which is the full thing. ये LHA है. This is the LHA. So plus longitude east आ गया. So the thumb rule is that longitude east, GHA least, and longitude west, GHA best.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, that would be longitude west, no, sir, minus longitude.
हाँ
GH
ये west है. Correct. Very typo. Plus longitude east minus longitude west. So longitude is GHA least, longitude west GHA best. So that automatically I know that if suppose GHA star is equal to 100 degrees and longitude is equal to 40 degrees east, then LHA star is equal to 140 degrees. इसमें east west नहीं है. And if longitude is equal to 40 degree west, then longitude with GHA best. So to find LHA,
60.
we subtract. Yeah.
60.
So LHA is equal to 60 degrees. Let me know when we can move on ahead. Anybody did not understand, please tell me.
The example you give, sir, can you please show it on the diagram, sir, with the body and the observer?
Zarur, why not? We can say that, let me erase everything. CHA is 100 degrees. So ये है Greenwich meridian. ये है, so मैंने से GH यहाँ से 100 डिग्री, तो सपोज यहाँ आ गया, ये हो गया मेरा स्टार, द GHA ऑफ 100 डिग्री. ऑब्जर्वर का लॉन्गिट्यूड है 40 डिग्री ईस्ट. ये हो गया ऑब्जर्वर. So LHA would be from observer's meridian to the meridian of the star. That means it would be the longitude, east longitude plus GH. Okay, so that means from here to here it will be 140. Now let us assume observer is to the west. Observer, let us erase this one just to make some place. And say observer उधर नहीं है, observer इधर है. ये है observer. Then LHA हो गया ये वाला. It means ये GHA है. This is the GHA. This minus this. That means इसको minus किया. Will give me this, correct? So when it is west, we can say that GHA star minus longitude west will give me the LHA star. That's all. Better go for thumb rule. This is the best thing. And always remember, suppose now one more example if I give you, say I change this. I इसको पहले delete कर दो, इसको delete कर दो और इसको change कर दो. So if I say longitude is say 140 east, 140 west. So I know longitude west, GHA best. Then how will I find LHA? Because GHA best. So when the rule is when subtracting greater from smaller, add 360 to greater in a circular measure. So it means it will be 360 plus add 360, 360 plus 100 minus 140. That would be the LHA. Because I cannot subtract 140 from 100, no. But GHA is best, so I have to subtract. Then add 360. So I say LHA is equal to. So I in short became 460 minus 140 is equal to कितना आया? 320. So LHA 320. That is what it is. Just you can write down when subtracting greater from smaller, add 360 to greater. And one more thing, I'll just go back to longitude D long and tell you, so that will be effective here also. Suppose if I say that longitude of A is say 60 degree east, longitude of B is say 100 degree west. Then D long would be different name you're adding is equal to 160 is equal to 160 west, correct? Yeah, that okay? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
But suppose now I make it instead of 100, I make 200. 200. Then it will become 260 west. But D long cannot exceed 180.
Sir, long B can't be 200, no?
Huh? Sorry,
Sir,
not 200. I make it say 170. Yeah, longitude cannot be here, right? So it become 230. 230. But D long is the shorter arc. and cannot exceed 180. Like how longitude cannot exceed, d long also cannot exceed. Therefore, if d long is greater than 180, subtract from 360 and change sign. So in this case, this will be is equal to subtract from 360. तो कितना हो गया? 130 हो गया. 130 east हो गया. Understood? So it is a shorter arc. So you cannot have more than 180. So anytime you are doing D long and you get more than 180, then subtract from 360, change the sign. Sign how you're keeping east to west will be west, west to will be east. But when you get more than 180, you change the sign. Any doubt in this, anybody? Okay. When everybody is keeping quiet, I understand that everybody has understood. People who have not understood must unmute and talk. ठीक है ना? Otherwise, I will move on. Because it may not be possible. हाँ बोलो. Correct. So if I say, suppose longitude A was say 100 east. Longitude B, say we say west, 100 west. Longitude B was 100 east. Then D long हो गया 200 east, but you cannot exceed, is equal to minus 360, 160 west. ठीक है ना? Whenever it exceeds more than 180, subtract from 360, change the sign. Okay. Similarly here, what we do, LHA also, if sometimes you get greater, suppose I got here, let me, it's easier to do over here. Because यहाँ पे already है.
Sir, like in this case, you told long A is equal to 100 west, long B 100 east. So D long 200 east. I mean, the two values are same. So how we name this D long as east?
East because west to
greater
east,
one-
no, from A to B, no? From A to B the D long, no? So west to east is east. Here it is going from east to west, so it is west.
Okay.
Okay.
You have highlighted, I have some correction in that line.
Which one?
Sir, you just deleted the line that mentioned there is was when subtracting greater from smaller.
Yes.
At 360, you have mentioned at 360 to greater.
Smaller, correct. ये सब immediately तुमको पकड़ना है, no?
Yes.
To smaller. Correct. Just those have written great. You can't add 3 to greater. It is pointless, no? Because you are subtracting smaller from greater from smaller. ठीक है ना? So now let me again delete this part and give you another small example where you got 100 east. Say I say GHA was 300 and longitude was 140 east. Longitude is GHA least. So what is the LHA? LHA will be 440. Circular measure, nothing can exceed 360 is equal to, so LHA is equal to, so you subtract 440 minus 360 is equal to 80. That will be your LHA. So when it is greater than 360, you subtract 360. When you are subtracting greater from smaller, you add 360 to smaller. When D long becomes more than 180, subtract from 360 and change the sign. These are the small things that you must remember. Okay, now? So can we move ahead, or anybody wants me to continue with something over here?
Sir, suppose इसमें ये ऑब्जर्वर ग्रीनविच मेरिडियन पे है तो LHA is equal to longitude.
हाँ, then longitude 0 हो गया, then LHA will equal to GHA. That's all.
Okay, sir, GHA, yes, sir.
Correct. Now let us come to
Sir, please wait for 1 second.
wait. Let me know when I can move ahead.
Okay, sir. Done.
Okay. Let me see people who are keeping quiet. Srirag, understood?
Yes, understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pradhan, Kritik Pradhan. Unmute and tell me you understood or not, Pradhan. Pradhan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay. Pandey, Durga Nandan Pandey, understood?
Understood.
I'm catching on to the people who are keeping quiet, you know. Vikas Khuri, understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Raj Shukla, understood?
Yes, sir.
Alam, understood? Alam, are you there? Alam का शायद audio है. I can see him in the video, but he's not answering. Alam Mohammed, are you there? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let us go to one more. Let me delete all this. Let me go to the departure. ये रहने दो. ये रहने दो. ये हाँ बोलो. Not these numericals, more complicated numerical you have to make diagram. इसके लिए नहीं. PON का ये आएगा ही नहीं ऐसे. This is your base building, no? इसको लेके कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा. अभी तक जो पढ़ा है डेफिनेशन छोड़ के न्यूमेरिकल अभी तक हम लोग पहुंचा ही नहीं है. We are just doing base building. Next class only we will take the MMD question bank. Then we would have reached that level that we can directly do after the definition is all over. Now let us see what is declination. Declination of a body is the same as the latitude, mind you. When I give the definition, you will see that is the same. Is the arc of the meridian or the angle at the center of the earth between the equinoctial, it's not equator, earlier lateral was equator, they became equinoctial, and the parallel of declination passing through that body. So in short, if ये body है, इसका declination ये हो गया. यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये आ गया, ये आ गया. Arc of the meridian is the meridian, so it is the arc of the meridian or the angle at the center of the earth.